Hi, welcome to the final part of our little tutorial series on the zip files for the AMEA Bear group. So this time we're going to use Google Chrome. So let's open up Google Chrome and we'll go to Facebook first of all. Facebook.com. Okay, and then what we can do, we can go into the Bear group. Again, exactly the same as Firefox and Edge. We go Files. We then find a zip file, and let's get the Fireman Bear v3 ZIPP file. So again, we click it, and then all we have to do is click on the download button, and it pops up down the bottom here. So that's it there. It says it's flashing at me, so we click the arrow and we can go show in folder, and as you can see it's downloaded it in the same folder. And one thing you will notice if you've watched all of them, the Firefox, the Edge and the Chrome browsers all downloaded as a default into the downloads folder, so that way you don't have to, if you use all three, you don't have to go searching for different places where it's downloaded stuff. So again, all we do is right click on the file, hit rename, go to the end of the file with the right arrow key, backspace once to get rid of the second P, hit enter. Do I want to change it? Yes I do, and bang, it's automatically changed the icon to this compressed zip folder icon. Again, we can double click into that, and again we've got the extract compressed folder tools, extract all, which then pops this one up. It's going to put it into Fireman Bear v3, show extracted files when completed, yes please, hit extract, and then it pops up with that. So now if we go into this, we've got the bears, and it looks like they've even got instructions for this one. We've got a PDF, which is, and there's one of the pictures. So yeah, so it looks like the flame's not part of the instructions, but the flame is good. And again, I guess this is one thing I do want to point out. Please remember that this bear and any other bears are not to be sold. It is only to be given away with love, because that's the main part of the group, is it's never for sale. But yeah, so that's as simple as that. You got the different bear types. You can go back. We've got the felties in this one even. Felty with flame. So yeah, that's just a picture of the design ready to go with the little flame. And yeah, that's all there is to it. We've got the key fob as well. That's a nice little key fob for people. And that looks like a photo from Joy. But yeah, so that will conclude the zip part of the tutorials, and I hope you have, hopefully this has helped you, and that you get to be downloading lots of different bears and stitching them out and giving them away to hundreds and hundreds of different people. Thank you.